I'm Claire.
And we're from Fly By Night Press, and today we're visiting Amsterdam.
Hi, my name is Claire Pothier, and I'm in the Netherlands doing an internship with the Cairn family and help with their publishing business, Fly By Night Press. Since the books they publish are about travel in Europe, they took me to Amsterdam to give me a feel for European travel.
So, Claire, do you like museums?
I love museums.
Okay, so we're standing in front of the Rijksmuseum. This is like one of the most important museums in Amsterdam, right? So, do you know any Dutch artists at all?
I know Van Gogh is a Dutch artist.
Okay.
And that's all.
There's actually, Van Gogh has his own separate museum that we'll look at a little later. So the Rijksmuseum has a lot of Rembrandts. Maybe have you heard of Rembrandt? There are all kinds of different art, paintings, sculptures, ceramics.
We first went to Museumplein, which is located near many amazing museums such as the Rijksmuseum, Van Gogh Museum, Stedelijk Museum, and MoCo museums for contemporary art. We then went to the gardens besides the Rijksmuseum, which were absolutely beautiful and reminded me a little bit of the gardens that I visited in France.
That banner up there, it says slavernij, and that means slavery. And on the first, it was Katie, which means like chains broken. When the slave trade ended, so they put that up.
There were canvases set out where we could pay €5 to draw the view displayed in front of you. We walked over to the Van Gogh Museum, but we were not allowed to take pictures of the amazing art. But there was a fantastic gift shop with some of his famous paintings printed to take pictures of and buy. We walked around the city to see many cool shops and houses. Many people bike all over the city of Amsterdam, so there are bikes everywhere. There is also a tram that goes right through the center of Amsterdam, which many people travel on. While on our walking tour, we stopped at the flower market where flowers, plants, and seeds were being sold. It was very colorful, bright, and beautiful. There was also a cheese stop called Kaskelder where we sampled many exotic cheeses like pesto, red chili, and Jersey truffle. Just trying it.
Pesto cheese.
Oh, that tastes exactly like pesto. At the end of our walking tour, we reached Dom Square with beautiful tall clock towers that made the city so wonderful. There is a famous city park called Vondel Park where many people rent bikes to ride around.
We decided to take a canal tour, which is actually the best way to see Amsterdam, I think.
Yes, it's so pretty.
So we've been seeing, canals and a lot of boats and the different houses. We've had our little, tour guide. The guy driving the boat has been telling us all about all the different things here in Amsterdam and the history of Amsterdam is super interesting.
It was raining at first, so we were very thankful to have a cover on our boat, but it ended up clearing up and it was just gorgeous by the end. Amsterdam started as a canal that met with the Amstel River with a dam, so it got the name Amsterdam. The houses were built very narrow but tall because people used to be taxed with how wide their houses were. Some houses are leaning over now because they are so old that their wood foundation is starting to rot from all the water. There are so many different ways to travel in the city, including this small red car we saw. Overall, Amsterdam is absolutely beautiful and I learned so much from a day in the city.